Jamaica to pray and rebuild after the storm. Inspired by Amos 9/11, 50 years of restoration. New seas. Pray for blessing, pray for strength, pray for unity. For the boo-boo-boo-boo, for Rachel's name. I will raise up the fallen noses of those who serve me. I will rebuild the ruined places. I will plant many blessings in their land, and none shall uproot them again. Jackal will fish stand.
To all Jamaicans and those who love Jamaica, please support the rebuilding of Jamaica by joining and subscribing to this channel. So please press the join button and become either a gold member or a silver member, and enjoy new musical releases such as gospel, reggae, love songs, dancehall music, and additional perks. To hear the complete song, please join and become a member. Silver members will hear the complete song. Gold members will see a music video with the song. So please subscribe and press the join button. Let us work together to rebuild Jamaica. Thank you for subscribing and joining the Exceptional Music JA family of subscribers and members. We appreciate and value all our subscribers and members. Thank you once again.